to Cooking with Asher. I'm Asher. People are always asking me, Asher, how do you make your cookies? Well, I'll show you. Today, I'm going to be baking cookies for essential workers because they are risking their life for us to save other people. So I love them and I would like to thank them. I like Real Thompson mint smoothies a lot. And when they knew that I was going to make these cookies, they donated a whole box to me. I think that was very sweet of them. Thank you, Real Thompson. All we need for the first step is a mini muffin tin, President's Choice cookie dough, and of course, the Real Thompson mint smoothies. We sprayed the muffin tin. Then we filled each one with cookie dough. And now we're going to put the muffin tin in the oven with the cookie dough for 15 minutes and 300 degrees. As soon as we take the cookies out of the oven, we put the Real Thompson mint smoothies in. And now we wait. Good. And this, my friends, is a Real Thompson chocolate mint smoothie cookie bar.